In this video, I'll show you my favorite easy trick to draw a male manga face from the side. Just follow along step by step. Start with a light pencil circle. This will be your head space. Then, draw a horizontal line left to right and a vertical line up and down to split it into 4 parts, like cutting a pizza. Since this is side view, all the 4 parts will not be same, but one side of the circle consisting of 2 parts will be smaller than the other 2. You can decide whichever side. In this picture, the smaller part is the left side. Decide the hairline and mark it. Also mark where the lower face, for using it as a guide for later. For the eyes, imagine your character is looking to the side. The eye closer to us front should be a tiny bit bigger than the foreeye. How? Now focus. This is the fun part that changes everything. Draw a gentle slanted line from the top of the vertical guide. This helps space the eyes naturally. The far eye sits where the line touches the circle's edge. Now add the nose and lips. They should align with the vertical line. The nose pokes out a little, and the lips curve softly. Then, connect the chin from the bottom of the circle. Almost done. Now, adjust the features. Make sure the far eyebrow is thinner than the closer one. Add a tiny curve for the ear. It hides behind the jawline. Finally, draw wild manga hair, spiky, smooth, or messy. Isn't it simple and easy? And there you go, a cool male manga face from the side. Try practicing this a few times. It gets easier. Don't forget to have fun and add your own style.